so we've seen these all over social media and they're supposed to be really good. So we're gonna try them out for ourselves and see what the heck this is all about. All right, so these are called Nugs. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Ooh, so exciting. So you get like a little thing that says, don't be a chicken. Don't be chickens. And then it says, welcome to the simulation by Nugs. So exciting. It says, to complete your installation, place your Nugs in the freezer. So that's the first step. You gotta put them in the freezer and freeze these bad boys. We're gonna take a look and see what's inside. Wow. It's like okay, so this is some pretty trendy marketing. There's a chicken about to eat a nugget, but it's not real chicken. It's a nug. It's not a nugget. So, exactly. So let's take a look. So it tells you how to prepare it. So this is what we're eating for dinner tonight. So how to prepare. Step 1, preheat oven to 425 degrees. Done. Step 2, place frozen nugs evenly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for best results. Ready. Parchment paper prepped. Why are you, okay, bye. Okay, so these nuggets are plant-based for anyone who's wondering what the heck they're actually made of. You can kind of see the ingredients on the back. Take a look at that, those bad boys. Then you put your nugs on a tray, just like that. Just kidding, here we go. I was having a moment. So now I'm just gonna put some normal serving sizes on here for just 2 people. Still a lot of nuggets. So then we get them in the oven so that they get nice and crispy and hot. Oh, looks like there's already something in there. So you can't have your nugs without some sauce. So we're gonna make some vegan Chick-fil-A sauce. Let's go. Okay, so they're done and they legit smell like chicken nuggets from McDonald's. They smell so freaking good and they look so crispy. Like, I have never seen chicken nuggets in any like capacity that you get from the store that come out this crispy. Like the same flakiness of a chicken nugget from McDonald's, like that's the exact texture you have on these. I'm gonna get the fancy sauce on there. Nice little dollop of some Chick-fil-A sauce. Some nuggets on there. A little few fries. It's like a deconstructed Happy Meal. Put a couple nuggets on there. So fancy. Look at that. Gorgeous. Your sauce. What the fuck? Like, that is not okay. That tastes legit just like a chicken nugget. I can't believe there's like no chicken in here. So crispy, like so tasty. That's amazing. Oh my God. Okay, so if you are vegan or not, these are really good. I highly recommend them. Definitely try them out. Bye. Thanks for watching.